moment, let's shift our attention now to Kolkata, where a high-voltage drama was witnessed at the Jadavpur University last evening. A massive student protest erupted during the State Education Minister's visit to the university as the students who were protesting demanded that the Students' Union elections be held at the earliest. They also allegedly gherawed and also vandalized the minister's car. These protesters allegedly deflated the tires of the minister's car, raising "Chor Chor" slogans. In fact, stones were also allegedly pelted at the vehicle, due to which the minister was also left injured. He was later admitted to the SSKM hospital and doctors said that he was stable. These protesting students, on the other hand, alleged that the car, which was part of the minister's convoy, allegedly ran over some of the students, leaving them severely injured. So they say that the minister was on a visit to the campus to attend the annual general meeting of the West Bengal College and University Professors Association, which is a professors' wing of the TMC. When the left-wing students learnt about this visit, they planned to speak to him to press their demand for the Students' Union, and they claim that's when the entire issue escalated.
ইউনিয়ন ইলেকশন দীর্ঘ 5 বছর হয়নি। ইউনিয়ন ইলেকশন সংক্রান্ত আলোচনা আমরা ওই মিটিংয়ে করব, কিন্তু আজকে যখন সেই দাবি নিয়ে যাওয়া হয়, শান্তিপূর্ণভাবে যাওয়া হয়, ওনাদের কাছে অনুরোধ করা হয় বারবার, তখন শিক্ষামন্ত্রী আমাদের ফার্স্ট ইয়ারের একটি ছাত্রের ওপর দিয়ে গাড়ি চালিয়ে বেরিয়ে গেছে। এই রকম অযোগ্য শিক্ষামন্ত্রীর আমাদের ধিক্কার জানাতে বাধ্য হচ্ছি আমরা।
প্রথমে তো তাদের যে গুন্ডা বাহিনী, তৃণমূলের যে গুন্ডা বাহিনী, তারা আমাদের উপর চড়াও হয়। তারা আমাদের দিকে চেয়ার ছড়ে, আমাদেরকে ঠেলে ফেলে দেয়। তারপরে বিভিন্নভাবে অকথ্য ভাষায় গালিগালাজ করে, মেয়েদের জামা ছিঁড়ে ফেলা হয়, মেয়েদের ইনঅ্যাপ্রোপ্রিয়েটলি টাচ করা হয়, অনেক কিছু হয়, ঠেলে ফেলে দেওয়া হয়। তারপরেও আমরা যখন বিক্ষোভ প্রদর্শন করতে থাকি, গাড়ি ব্লক করি, তারা আমাদের উপর দিয়ে গাড়ি চালিয়ে দেয়। আমাদের 6-7 জন বন্ধু তারা কিন্তু সিরিয়াসলি ইনজিওর্ড। এই যে একজন আমার বন্ধু রয়েছে, তার হাতেও রক্ত লেগে রয়েছে, মানে একজনের ডান চোখ ফেটে গেছে। আজকে আমার প্রশ্ন একটাই যে যাদবপুর বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়ে দাঁড়িয়ে যদি আমি তৃণমূলকে প্রশ্ন করি বা বিক্ষোভ প্রদর্শন করি, তারা আমার উপর গাড়ি চালিয়ে দেবে।
Union election has not been conducted for the past 5 years, right? The last one was 2019, and we have anything regarding anything we move to VC, like for example say lab issues, bathroom and all that stuff. VC, our vice chancellor sir always says that we don't have funds. We were not allowed to talk to Bratya Basu. We were not even allowed to enter into the OAT. All of a sudden he got into his car and he started to leave. So he started his car and he was moving slowly. When we tried to stop him, we slapped on his bonnet, on his windscreen, urging him to stop and talk to us. He, on the contrary, drove his car almost on the skull of one of our students.
Now, after the high drama inside the campus, members from student wing of the TMC and the SFI workers also came face to face outside the Jadavpur police station, raising slogans against one another. In fact, the TMC MP Sayoni Ghosh, the party's councillors and the other workers of the TMC were also present at the spot, as heavy security deployment was put in place to bring the situation under control. Here's how the drama unfolded outside the police station at around 7:40 p.m. last night.
Right now you can see that a huge scuffle is breaking out in front of Jadavpur Thana. These are the TMC people. On one side there is police. Police is controlling the TMC people from attacking the SFI. You can see that the left students, the SFI are standing there, and in between it is the police who is standing as a bridge in between. They are giving us rape threats. They are telling that we'll rape you. Please come here. And you can see how they are trying to break the barrier. These are the SFI members. There are the TMC students, and on the other hand there is SFI. A clash is likely to break between the SFI and the TMC members. Just now we have seen that Sayoni Ghosh and Arup Biswas have addressed. They have said that they cannot be students. The one who attacked Bratya Basu, they cannot be students. They must be gundas. Even the police is not able to control the crowd, and you can see how the TMC, they are advancing towards the SFI and the other way around, and police is standing as a bridge in between. You can see how police is standing in between and acting as a mediator between both the parties. started after the left students have attacked Bracto Boshu's car today. The minister was injured. He was taken to a hospital. The students have also alleged that one of the students was seriously injured. They were hit by a car.
Let's go across to my colleague Ritik Mandal joining us on the broadcast with the details. Well, Ritik, it was a big clash that took place. Students claim that they were left injured because of the minister's convoy. What is the situation currently and what are the details of what actually happened that escalated to such an extent?
Well, on the very next morning, what we can see that an uneasy calm prevails at the university campuses. We are bringing live broadcast from this particular area. Let me tell our viewers that this office, which belongs to, Shiksha Bandhu Samiti, that is precisely associated with the non-teaching staff association of the Trinamool Congress party. It was allegedly set ablaze, and what we can see that the fire tenders are still trying to douse this fire. There are allegations that the protesting students late last night, they allegedly set this office on fire. And let me also tell you that we have with the security in charge of the Jadavpur University campus with us. जरा आपसे जानने की कोशिश करेंगे किस तरीके से यहाँ पर आगजनी हुई, कोई जानकारी है? कल रात कितने बजे ये हुआ है?
नहीं कोई जानकारी नहीं है हमारे पास। 10 बजे বাংলা বলি আমি 10টার সময় আমরা খবর পেয়েছি। 10 बजे तक हमारे पास इंफॉर्मेशन आया कि यहाँ पे आग लगा हुआ है, इसलिए हम फायर ब्रिगेड को, हमारा इंचार्ज मुकुल चंद्र दास फायर ब्रिगेड को फोन किया। फायर ब्रिगेड आके देखा, आग निकालने की कोशिश की है। हाँ।
जहाँ तक हमारी जानकारी है कल शाम से 2 बार इस ऑफिस में आगजनी हुई है साहब। पहले यहाँ पर
पहले 2 बजे 4 बजे तक चालू हुआ और इसके बाद रात 10 बजे तक।
पहली बार जो है आग लगी थी वो किसने लगाई थी? जो गुस्सा है भीड़ थी
वो सिक्का मंत्री जो वहाँ पे आए थे, वहाँ पे जो लोग एक साथ थे वही लोग कहे।
So there is very serious allegations are being labeled against the protesting students. As you can see behind me, this charred part of this office, this particular office belongs to Trinamool Congress. We expect that today, once again, that situation is simmering and both the parties, TMC and left wing, they are scheduled to stage protests at the university campuses.
Okay, all right. So politics continues, but on ground there's a tense situation that prevails because the anger still stays and the students say that they had come there to raise their demands, but that was never looked into. We continue keeping a track of these updates. Thank you for joining us. With that update, we're slipping into a quick break here. We'll be right back with lots more. Do stay with us.